the father of the Georgia high school shooting suspect is facing felony charges in connection to that shooting that killed 4 and injured others. Now, this comes months after that landmark case here in Michigan, where the parents of the Oxford high school shooter were convicted of involuntary manslaughter. Now, this is another case that will test the limits of parental blame.
Unfortunately, there are a lot of similarities.
Oakland County Prosecutor McDonald says, like in the Oxford case, they'll have to prove if this violence was foreseeable.
There was absolutely some notice here that there was a concern, in fact, a visit by law enforcement to parent. And just keep in mind, this is an AR-15 and a 14-year-old young man. The standard magazine holds 30 rounds.
Colin Gray was arrested for allowing his son to have access to the gun, knowing he was a threat to himself and others.
Certainly, when you have a 14-year-old who cannot drive and cannot purchase a weapon like that, and dad reportedly was on notice that there was a concern, and reportedly also said that the minor did not have any access to weapons. That was a year prior. It would be hard to argue that dad didn't know that there might be a concern.
She says learning how this tragedy unfolded could help prevent future school shootings.
We need to ask the question about where that minor got such a deadly weapon, because we need to know that in terms of how do we prevent this going forward.
The cases of the suspected shooter and his father will be presented to a grand jury. That's scheduled to meet next month.